Today in this video I'm going to explain Honor 8A hard reset or pattern unlock. Turn off the mobile by pressing the power key for a few moments. Hold down the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Release all keys when the recovery mode appears. Navigate to wipe data or factory reset using the volume keys and confirm with the power button. Confirm the action again by selecting wipe data or factory reset with the power key. Choose reboot system now using the power button. Your data has been deleted, so you will need to set up your Huawei Honor 8A again. Once the reset is complete, your phone will be back to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.